Now we are going to prepare the door's tension cable. Slide the crimping ring and the metal plate onto the cable and make a loop by inserting the cable once more in the crimping ring. Tighten the ring onto the plate, leaving a slight gap, and use the crimping pliers to tighten the ring hard onto the cable. The ring should be crushed right down onto the cable. Next, take the U-shaped bracket and slide it into the end of the spring. Take the second pulley, insert it into the U and attach all of this with the bolt. Screw down the first nut, tighten hard, and then tighten the second nut onto the first so it no longer moves. Then repeat this procedure with the second spring. Now we are going to install the adjustable mounting brackets for the horizontal rails. Take the L-shaped bracket and attach it to the end of the rail. Then screw the adjustment profile onto this bracket. Then take the other adjustment profile. Screw the other angle bracket onto it so that it can be fixed to the wall facing the other one, and so that the two can slide over each other to obtain a precise setting. Now draw the mark for drilling. Drill. And attach the assembly to the wall. Now that you have installed the mechanism, measure the distance between the rail and the wall and transfer this distance to the adjustment mechanism. This will ensure the rail is perfectly aligned. Draw a mark on the profile, then tighten with a nut and bolt to align it with your mark. Carry out the same procedure for the other rail. Now install the strut for the adjustment mechanism so that the structure is completely rigid. Screw an angle bracket onto the end of the profile to attach it to the wall. Place the profile alongside the adjustment mechanism. When you have found the right position, screw the profile onto the mechanism. Then, finish tightening the angle bracket onto the profile and fix it to the wall. Always check the level and the alignment of the rail. Now assemble the door panels, starting with the bottom panel. Take the connector, place it at the top of the panel and align its hinge with the groove on the panel. Now screw it down using the self-drilling screws. Now at the bottom of the panel, install the profile that is going to hold the tension cable. Place on the other panels the profile that is going to hold the rollers. It is fitted to the top of the panels only. Now fit the rollers onto the bottom panel by sliding them into the rail.